Recently, I watched a movie. The name of the movie is Billy Elliot. Billy Elliot was a boy. Billy Elliot was 11 years old. Billy lived with his father and his older brother. Billy and his dad, his father, and his older brother lived in a house in England. England is a country in Great Britain. The story took place in 1984. Billy's mother died in 1983. She died the year before. Billy and his dad and his brother were very sad. They were very sad that their mother had died. They were sad and they were angry. They were sad and angry because life was very hard. They were very poor. They did not have much money. Billy's dad wanted Billy to be a boxer. A boxer wears big gloves. Two boxers fight by punching each other. Billy did not want to be a boxer. Billy wanted to be a ballet dancer. Billy found a ballet teacher. One day, his dad found out. He found out that Billy was taking dance lessons. His dad was very angry. They yelled a lot. They fought a lot. Eventually, over time, Billy's dad supported him. Billy's dad realized that Billy loved to dance. Billy was a very good dancer. He was good enough to go to a big ballet school in London, and Billy became a professional ballet dancer.